Any time when you feel like a woman keeps an eye on you, whether it is at a club, party, or college, there is usually no clear hint of why she is doing it. She might be attracted to you, see you as a good friend, or just look at you randomly. There is no point in making any move that would make you embrace yourself and never return to that place. Neither do you want to miss these signals from the girl to approach her, right? Despite knowing that, you may hesitate to approach the girl for fear of what might happen. Look no further. This is how to know if she is checking you out and is interested in you. 1. She has been giving you that look. The way she looks at you says she finds you attractive at first sight. You can tell she doesn't just glance at you, or it wasn't random eye contact. She tries to catch your attention. Maybe she sees you as a genuine guy. She feels comfortable looking at you and confident that you'll catch her clues. 2. Your friends inform you about a girl who has been looking at you. This is just regular weekend fun with your boys. You aren't aware of it. But then one of your friends informs you that a girl from another group has eyes on you. Upon first glance, you notice a group of girls smiling at you. If you see those girls smile more when you give them a look, perhaps one of the girls has been looking at you and may find you cute. 3. She gives you a smile back when you look at her. If the girl is shy, she instantly feels uncomfortable and looks away. But, as she really likes you, she can't help but gives you a positive look rather than smirking. When a girl responds favorably and maintains eye contact, that means a girl is checking you out and it's a hint for you. 4. She walks past your table several times. You can tell if a woman is checking you out by her behavior only towards you. Even if she first finds you attractive, she won't approach you but give you responses, such as leaving some clues for you. It's a sign of interest when she passes you by giving you a secretive look. When she already knows your schedule, you find herself available at a specific time and at a particular place for you. 5. She still sneaks a peek at you by using someone as a shield. She might be shy or playing hard to get, but her feelings for you are strong. She might feel embarrassed about being caught, but that won't stop her from looking at you. Further, she checks you out from behind her friends or from another space. It's common for girls to play hide and seek with guys to get them to follow them. 6. She changed her position so she could get a closer look. When a girl checks you out, she does a full body scan on you. You might catch her at some spot, but she will either come close or go to a better spot, where you will be more visible to her. Maybe someone is blocking her view of you, or she makes herself close to you. You have enough signs to know that a girl is checking you out. 7. She notices you first, then her friends. Now they are talking about you. Perhaps her friends spotted her staring at you or matched you two up already. It makes her like you more and more. That's possible. However, most girls prefer to talk about their secret crush privately. Then, when one's crush is already there, they even try to set up a meeting for her. It's easy to tell which girl checks you out, based on who's being teased by the rest. 8. She adjusts herself when she has your attention now. Maybe she kind of has an interest in you but isn't sure if you like her back. But now you caught her staring at you, she tries to look attractive in your eyes too. After your first eye contact, when next time you look at her, you see her adjusting her clothes and appearance, as if she's getting ready for you. You know she's nice, but she makes sure she looks great before you get close to her. 9. She compliments you on something new she notices. You might not have enough time to talk to each other at work. At work, she notices that you're wearing perfume or a change in your appearance. That means your female coworker likes you but hides it. Her compliments of small changes in yourself are enough signs that a woman is checking you out, even if you are unaware. From haircut to your change in schedule, she can't resist asking you. 10. Her friends taunt her jokingly whenever you look or smile at her. When this girl makes it hard for you to find her feelings, watch how her friends react. They might have mentioned you. Whenever one of their crushes is around, girls tend to tease the one whose crush this is. If you notice that they all together smile when you look at them or playfully tease the one girl, that means she's checking you out and getting caught. 11. She tries to connect with you over one or more social media. Whenever she can't go up to you personally, she tries social media. You may get likes on your years-old pictures. Maybe she was checking out your profile. If you're not friends yet, she sends you a request to connect the next day. She will send you a connection for more social media profiles to try and connect with you anyway, if she is really into you. 12. She isn't interested in talking to her friends because she has her eyes on you. She might be surrounded by her friends. As she finds you interesting, she's not fully into the conversation there. All the time she's looking at you while the rest of the girls are talking to each other. Whether women stop working and glance at you at the office, or girls stop doing anything but look at you, are signs that she is checking you out. Her goal is to avoid getting caught, so she keeps talking while looking your way, which means she's interested in you instead of her friends. 13. She makes herself available to you more and trusts you. With the way she looks, it is clear that she likes to hang out with you. Once she gets your attention on her, she wants you to talk to her, and she invites you with some clues. This girl really wants you to approach her as she takes a seat near you. If you meet frequently, she already knows your time to come and go, so she adjusts her schedule to accommodate you so you can interact more. 14. She makes you feel comfortable so that you can make a move. Some girls are open about feelings for boys. They don't play much, but are easy to approach. If it's a good thing for you that this girl doesn't make it confusing for you. You know she likes to be approached by you because she reacts positively and gives you comfort. This is one of the luckiest signs, because you get a positive reaction from the girl who is checking you out, and she already admits it with her gestures to you. 15. Now she's alone there. Her friends have left her to be with you. There could be no better way to tell a girl secretly likes you than to do this. She and her friends have been talking about you. Since they know you're her crush, they'll do everything to set up a meeting with you. Thus, when you're alone and it's her turn, her friends will also give you two a chance to talk alone. Or if she's alone too, you might find that she grabs her strength and talks to you, or even sits next to you.